Hello everyone, my name is Leo Donleon, and in this video I want to teach you how to create your own open push charts using the help of ICMzer. First, you need to know how big is ante in your tournaments, just because it could be really different depending on the poker room and the type of the tournament. As for me, I'm working with the usual Excel file, where, as you can see here, I create 3 tabs for the most common percentages of the ante. 10%, which is using in multi-table sitting goals on PokerStars, 12.5%, like on almost all tournaments on Party Poker and on big tournaments on PokerStars, and 15% ante on Bounty Builders on PokerStars. So you need to create something like I have already created, and let's learn how to do it. First of all, you need to decide how many stake sizes do you want to calculate. As for me, I'm using stake sizes from 1 big blind till 15. You can create from 5 till 10 or 5 till 15. It is really your decision, so I suggest you to start from the stake size at least of 2 or 1 big blind. So let's start from 2 big blind. And let's pick the blind level so that it would be easy for us to calculate. Let's pick 1k big blind plus 10% ante. And all you need to know is first to pick 9 players, and then you should give yourself, we start from 2 big blinds, 2 big blind stack, and all your opponents should have 10 big blinds. Then you should click here and pick the right FGS volume, and it is suitable, the FGS2. We are clicking on it. And then you need to calculate FGS2 Nash equilibrium. As you can see, we can go all in from early position with the 2 blind stack with the almost 60% hands. And here, close to every hand, you can see the cheap EV. And maybe some of these EVs will not be suitable for you, because you're risking your life and earning almost nothing, like 10-3 suited. And here you can change the mean EV difference so that the weakest hands will not be calculating. So I suggest to use this mean EV difference for stake sizes from 1 to 2 big blinds, then this from 3 big blinds till 14, and for 15 blinds I suggest to use 0.3 mean EV difference. So for this situation you need to use 0.1, and then you're copying this range and entering your Excel file. Now you should change your position. You're sitting yourself on the UTG1, picking here 10 big blind stack size, and then calculating Nash equilibrium again, calculating FGS again, and picking right EV difference. Here we are. From this position, we can go all in with almost 40% of the hands, and so on. Almost the same system is suitable for stake sizes till 10 big blinds. So you need to increase your stake size to move your position to position, and all the other players should have at least 10 big blinds. But while your stack is more than 10 big blinds, it would be easier to calculate, just because you can pick the same stake size for every player. So let's imagine 12 big blinds. Copy into every player, calculating FGS Nash equilibrium, and then changing your mean EV difference. And here we are. Here is our range to open shove from early position with the 12 big blind stack size. And look, while you're changing your position, and you're having the same stack, you don't need to do any more changes. You don't need to calculate Nash equilibrium again, because it has been already calculated while you press on this button while you were on the early position. So you just need to change position, then click calculate FGS, copy. Then next position, calculate, copy. So you don't need to click to Nash equilibrium 2, 3, 4, or 5 times. Now, after finishing calculating for all these stack sizes, you need to change the blind level till, for example, 12.5%, and you should do exactly the same stuff. That's how you can create this Excel table. So it is really easy, but you need to put some time in this job and this work, just because if you're playing entities, it is really important to use correct open push ranges, and you don't need to play with short stacks using your intuition. You need to use the results of your work, result of your calculation. And also you should know that you cannot create your preflop push charts for ICM situations. I mean situations while I'm playing under the money pressure, just because there are too many factors that affect your decisions. So that's all about the calculation of your pushing ranges. If you have any questions, leave them below this video and I'll answer them. See you in next videos.
Attention please. Wanna save 300 euros only until the end of this month? Poker Room is ready to pay for you. Academy of Poker course includes group training, 3 personal lessons from professional poker coach, personal manager and bonus up to 30 euros from Poker Room. Hurry up! The offer extends soon. A link to sign up is in the description under this video.